Maximizing your engineering efficiency begins with managing your data effectively along with effortless collaboration with coworkers and key stakeholders. Using Autodesk Vault Professional enables you to track changes, understand what is work in progress, what's for review, and ultimately what is released to manufacturing. Another benefit to using Vault is collaboration with shared views. Shared views enables you to communicate designs without losing your intellectual property. Once the shared view is created, you can view in a browser or copy the link to collaborate with internal and external stakeholders. The Autodesk Viewer then provides view orientation tools to zoom, pan, rotate, explode, and measure. You can also add markups and comments directly to the shared view. In this case, we know we need to replace the welder base with an updated model from the vendor. After we save, all the markups and comments are automatically tracked and associated with the assembly. Shared views can also be accessed on a mobile device. This enables you to collaborate with virtually anyone, anywhere.